What exactly are the components of ISO TS 22002-1 standard? The ISO-TS 22002-1 standard is used in combination with ISO 22000 according to the requirements of the Global Food Safety Initiative. Exact requirements for preventive programs, requirements for the construction and room layout of buildings, requirement for facilities on the site and workplace layout, air, water and waste management, suitability of the equipment, cleaning and maintenance as well as dealing with procured materials, measures to prevent cross-contamination, cleaning and disinfection, pest control, personal hygiene, repair, recall procedures, storage, product information, customer awareness as well as product protection.